How to give contenting access to Google Analytics. Once you're inside the dashboard, go ahead and navigate to the bottom left and click Admin Settings. In the Account column, select Account User Management. Here you'll see all the accounts you have granted access to your Google Analytics. To add another user, just click the plus button in the upper right and select Add Users. Input the email address and click Add. There you go. That's how you give access to Google Analytics. How to give contenting access to Google Search Console. Once you're inside the dashboard, go ahead and click Settings located on the bottom left part. Under Property Settings, select Users and Permissions. To add another user, just click the Add User button, input the email address, and make sure that you select Full, then click Add. So that's it. That's how you give access to Google Search Console.